In the wild, strength isn't everything. Sometimes, it's all about being clever.
And nobody plays the survival game better than the fox.
Fast, silent, and unbelievably smart. Foxes even use the Earth's magnetic field to hunt, aiming their pounce perfectly.
Found almost everywhere, forests, deserts, mountains, and even cities, foxes adapt like no other. With sharp ears, glowing eyes, and paws as soft as whispers, every move is silent and precise. In a world full of danger, being strong helps, but being clever wins. And when you're as clever as a fox, you don't just survive, you thrive.